Hi guys, so this is the room tour for our room 8282. So this is for the Barcelo Maya Palace. So when you come in, this is the room here. So you close the door. So then we're gonna start with the storage. So we have lots of storage here. This is one storage area where you can store your stuff. You have, it opens up, so there's lots of storage if you need to store your stuff. There's storage down here and 2 shelves. Then we come up here. This is our little coffee area. So there's like a little coffee machine that you get, some coffee, 2 mugs, and you can use this area. We've been using it to store some snacks and stuff. Then down here you get a fridge. So they come and replenish every day with water and everything that you need. So you have water, pop, juice, anything that you need. And then you come in here, there's another storage where you can store more stuff. So you can put your shoes there. They have an iron for your ironing needs. And then here you have a safe. So there's a safe where you can keep your travel documents safe while you're here. More storage. And then here's the room. And then we're gonna walk over. So we have a double bed room. So they made a really nice towel art. So we have a 2 double bedroom here. This is if you're sharing. But then there's also 2 couches. So if you're traveling with family or with little kids, these will turn into a bed. So that you can have requests for them to make them into a bed. So two other people can sleep in there. And then we have a TV. So then you have your TV here as well. And then there's more shelving area and furniture. It's got a very nice Mayan decoration. It has a fan as well that you can use for during the day. We've been using that a lot then. Then this is the air conditioning unit where you can control the air conditioning. The phone as well. Here there's more storage. So you can store all your stuff that you need. And then we're going to take you to the balcony. And then the balcony, you just open the door. And then this is our balcony. Pretty big balcony. And we have this, they give you this rack where you can dry up all of your towel, all of your bathing suits after you've used them. So then you got so this is a garden view. So most of the standard rooms, you're gonna have a garden view, which is ours, which is facing this way. So some buildings, they face the other way, but we are facing this way. We are facing south. Now, we're gonna go see the bathroom. Okay guys, so here is the bathroom tour. So this is our washroom. So it's a very nice washroom. So there's a toilet in here, which is divided by this door, so for privacy. And then we have the double sink. So she and her sink. And we have a hair dryer. So it's a very nice hair dryer for you ladies. I've been using it the whole time and it's done a wonderful job. Then we have the shower area. So it's got 2 showers. It's got the rainfall shower, which was really, really nice and really good to use. And as well as a regular shower with the bathtub. And then you have a rack there to hang up, which they will be putting towels on. And then there's also 2 hooks, which all the towels are on. You can hang things that you need to hang. And yeah, and then they have like some seating area here, a garbage, and that's pretty much. And then it has sliding doors, which slide in and open and closed. So yeah, that's basically it. The room tour of the bathroom.